Okay, this is Sean. I'm going to show you how to replace the main board in the massage chair real quick. So just unscrew the E-port device. It's here on the left. We're going to take the screw out and we're going to need to cut the zip tie. There's one main zip tie that's holding this whole harness together, and this unit just slides in and out. Everything is one. Slide it up out of your way. And then there's going to be 3 screws along the back here, just the back 3, which remove this cover. Slide the cover out. And this is how you access the main board. As you can see here, there's 1 screw in the very back here, here, and 1 in the front. That's just 3 screws that hold it in. Just unplug every plug, and then do that, put the new board in, plug everything back in, and just put the cover back on. You should be good to go. Thanks.